Hey everyone, welcome back where we are testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we are testing, once again, the great brand WeCare. WeCare, I care, you care, we all care. I got nothing. Let's put it in the tester and see what's happening. Clamp cam, let's do this. This is a green mask. That's neato. Let's see a green mask every day. Jeez, my clamp is like, something's up with my clamper. I gotta take a look at that. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about how this works, check out that link. All right, WeCare is a great brand that we find on Amazon. It is Chinese, but I found it to be, we've tested a bunch of other masks. I'll put some of their links below. They've got tie-dye, they got kids, they got all sorts of stuff. They're not really making any claims on here that I can see. Look at all these frickin' colors. Jewel tones. I don't know what that means. Crazy tie-dye. Assorted snakeskin. I used to dance under that name. Let's look at the box. Not their best box. This looks like one of their early designs, but look at this. It's sealed on the outside. That's so cool. Let's rip that open. Green masks is a weird flex. And remember, we just bought every mask on Amazon, so that meant apparently buying, 26 WeCare masks. So, not a soft touch. I feel there. Oh my gosh, these are individually packed. That's so cool. Makes it really hard for me to test the ear loops though. I'm gonna open 2 at a time. Look at that. That is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is a great mask. It's a great mask. All right. Ooh, that nose wear feels, and it's so soft. So they're making this like extra double thick on the outside. And again, remember the colors on the outside, the whites on the inside. And then they even did the right thing where they put the right construction. These are flat ear loops, which is kind of interesting. Oh man, that sucks. Okay. That one broke. Here's the thing though, WeCare, I've got to open like individually every time using it. But what's so great about this, if you're like out and about and for some reason, you put it in your travel bag or something when you're going to the airport, you make sure you have it. Okay, these ear loops suck. I think it's a bad batch because I think, dude, that's awful. I'm giving them a 0 on the ear loops. Wow, that's the worst, man. All right, put it on. Whoa, it's very light feeling. Oh man. Okay, it's kind of like a plasticky, papery smell. I'm gonna call this a paper mache volcano minus the vinegar. All right, but does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? WeCare coming at you. 97.861, 97.861. Great job, guys. Always love WeCare. Good product. Ear loops on this one didn't match. I would not buy the green ones if I were you. Also, why would you buy the green ones? Super weird. I know, geniuses choose green. Clearly we know what happened here. All right guys, thank you for watching and this was helpful. If you decided to buy these masks anyways because you're like, you know what Lloyd, I am only looking for masks where the ear loops breaks. Thank you. I would like a like in exchange. That's the currency of the internet, of the YouTube, is likes, okay? That's what requires for my next video. Speaking of which, I will catch you on the next test. Thank you.